Welcome back. In this tutorial, you will learn how to submit an appeal if your Claude account has been banned, suspended, or disabled. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Appeal and Fix Disabled Accounts or Claude Help Center. Then press Enter to search. From the search results, open the Claude Help Center page that contains information about safeguards, warnings, and appeals. This page provides the official process for appealing a suspended or disabled account. Once the page opens, go to the Appeal section and select Submit an Appeal. After selecting Submit an appeal form will open. Wait for the page to load. The form should only take about 30 seconds to complete. Click the Start button to begin. Enter the email address that is associated with the Claude account you are having problems with. After entering your email address, click OK to continue. Next, you will be asked to explain why you believe your account should not be suspended. Carefully write a clear and valid reason describing your situation. Once you have finished, click OK to move to the next step. On the following page, continue by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure all the information you provide is correct before submitting the appeal. After your appeal has been submitted, wait for a response from the Claude support team. They will review your request and send an email if your appeal is accepted or if they need additional information. Your appeal should now be submitted successfully by following these steps. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below.